Alright, Allen Wrench. I'm gonna fix all your problems. Okay? Okay, whatever, just hop on. This is gonna be the watermelon and Allen Wrench adventure. Let's go. Out of the way, pedestrian. We don't have to. Who is this?
My name is Magic Tile, and you must answer my free riddles if you want to get past me.
What? This is stupid. I have no time for riddles. There is a life on the line.
Well, guess what? If you don't do my riddles, I'll wiggle my magic rod. I'll wiggle my magic rod about, and I'll zap you into nothing.
No. Fine. I will play your stupid games. Give me my first riddle.
Okay. What do you call a glapple, an apple that starts with GL?
A glapple.
Nope. You call it a glowing apple, like the Minecraft enchanted golden apple.
I see. This is an error in my judgment, and I'd like to apologize. Give me my next one that I'll do good.
Who is on top of you right now?
I think the Allen Wrench is on. Whoa! Meow. Oh no.
Wrong. Allen Wrench is not on top of you. That's strike two, watermelon. 3 strikes and you're out.
Oh no. This is make or break. I gotta be careful.
What do you call a watermelon that I'm going to zap?
Not me.
Wrong. It is you. Prepare to die. No! I'm in slow motion!
What are you doing? Put me down. We're in slow motion. Hey, this is for the greater good.
Oh! No. I've been hit with my own beam. Well, that was weird. I'm out of here.
We did it, Allen Wrench. We survived the first trial of our big. What the? Who is this?
I'm Redmine. This is a war zone up ahead. Only enter if you dare, cause we'll kill you.
Oh snap! Wait, I have an idea. Huh? There it is. Oh no. Here we go. Wah!
You failed in hitting my button. You were the worst watermelon ever.
I have tricks up my sleeve.
Shh. Oh no.
Oh well. Oh crap. Oh my goodness, I've been sliced and diced.
You think you got sliced and diced? Look at me. I'm falling apart right now. I'm dead. Yup. Dead as I'll ever be.
That was an easy kill. Oh no, it's
The bad egg.
Hey, I'm the bad egg. I'm gonna beat you up, take your lunch money, take your Allen Wrench, take you out back, and shoot you. Any last words?
Allen Wrench, you are my new sword.
Fine then. If you guys want to play sword fights, Um. Um.
Hey, what are you doing? Put me down.
Then I'll use this guy as my sword.
Draw!
It's not the correct usage of draw. Draw is usually used in.
Oh no!
This watermelon is significantly stronger than me.
Prepare to die!
No, I don't want to die.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. This isn't good. I'm cracking. No.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Pico Gun. Give me your best shot.
Bullet.
Ding.
No, the bullet is inside of me.
I don't like bullets. I don't like.
Doing.
I'm gonna eat you, 'cause I'm a spider.
Go ahead.
This tastes disgusting.
Haha. I have lost a bit of my head, but it's okay. Adamant, come on, you idiot.
I'm Warpipe. I'm the best. I'm the best. Oh, I'm so good that I might have a heart attack.
That was really easy.
My name is Evil Sweetie. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna murder you.
What? Listen, think about your actions and how they may hurt others.
Wow. I just realized how bad that is. I'm so sorry. I don't deserve to live anymore.
Wow, those two guys kind of sucked booty. Hello? Who are you?
My name is John Baum. Do not kill me. I will be an asset to you in the future. I am Tanky.
Okay, you guys are pretty nice. So, I'll just go around you.
Be careful. There's a boss up here. Okay? Okay?
Yeah, I heard you, man. Let's go.
You dare to kill my soldiers? Why I oughta whap?
I'm gonna parry both of you. I only hit you lightly because I don't want to squash you.
Thank you.
What the? They've been parried? Quick, I gotta use my master building. Haha. Yes, I am. I'm not killable.
Well, if we take a closer look at the bricks,
No cement, no cement, no cement, no cement.
so you know what that means?
Why, of course. A critical error on my part. This means that. Boing! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Wow, we've made it to the ocean area. Wait, who is that?
My name is Ocean Man, and I'm gonna be a friend to you and help you through the waters.
That is so nice of you. I'm gonna jump in.
You might not want to jump in after this. Ah! He's eating me! How about you jump in now, punk?
Huh? You kill my friend? I'll use my friend to kill you.
Did you need something, Watermelon? Whoa, why are you picking me up? What's going on? Whoa.
My eye, my mouth, my body, my leg, my body, my arm, my tail, my fin, my face, my string, my body, my face, my body.
I did it. I killed the dangerous shark.
Boing, boing, boing.
Who are you? I'm not going on your rock, actually. You look kind of weird.
My name is Siren.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh no! The singing is gonna make me go closer, and then she's gonna stab me. No, I gotta think quick. I have an idea. Allen wrench, you will be put to good use. Finally, I have a suitable earplug.
They're supposed to get glued together. What the frick? Technical difficulties much? Oh.
Okay, I can't hear you.
What? No one has ever been unable to hear me. Guess what? I'm so mad that I could just flip this rock. Boom. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, this is a mistake on your part.
But why is it a mistake on my part, Watermelon?
This is why. Boing! Look,
Boing.
just in time before the rock sinks in fully.
Watermelon, stop flying towards me.
What? Boat? You're here? Why are you here, boat?
You wanna know why I'm here? I want an apology for how you, became evil in the first viewer voting.
No, I'm not apologizing.
Well, I'll have no choice but to call Bonus Duck beat you up.
Well, here's a thought. Calling Bonus Duck and beating me up would just make you as bad as me. Wow, I guess you're. I'm dead.
Quick! No, I can't get up. Boat, I'm so sorry. Please help me up and reform.
First, you must say sorry. I'm sorry. I will be your friend. Let's hold hands. Yes. I'm glad you forgave me.
Quick, push me up. Well, oh no, I look kind of weird. Just in time. Come over this way. Just in time for your appointment, Allen Wrench.
To be cured, you gotta eat this big pill. Made by yours truly, Dr. HP, the best doctor in the world.
Uh, 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 uh.
Shh.
Brim. Wow, I'm back to normal. Thank you, Watermelon.